guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I'll be sharing with you how I decorate my wreath. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, a big welcome to you guys. Go ahead, check out my channel. My name is Stacy. I do DIYs, hauls, decor, etc. So check out my channel. And if you like what you see guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my family. Let me show you guys the things I'll be using to do this, to decorate my wreath today. It's a pre-lit wreath, but I'll be adding some more lights to it to make it even brighter. So this is what it looks like with the light that it's currently got. So I will be adding a bit more lights to make sure that it's got enough lights on it. And let me show you guys the items that I'll be using to do this decor today. And the color I'm doing is silver, gold, silver, and blue, to keep in line with the theme of my Christmas decor this year. So here I've got my picks. I've got some flower picks as well. So I'll be using some ribbons. I've got some baubles, some navy blue baubles, and I've got some blue picks. So these are some blue picks. I've got a few of those, and I've got some gold baubles and some silver ones, and I've got the lights that I'll be adding today. So let's get into decorating this wreath. Here is the finished product. Here is my wreath, guys. I am very pleased with it. I like the way it turned out. I'm really loving it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do like my wreath as well, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comment section as well. Thank you all very much for watching. As usual, guys, have a lovely day and be blessed.